Exercise 20b, question number 1 you can solve. Then question number 2, the diagonal of rectangular board is 1 meter. Now the length is given 96 centimeter. So you have to write length of rectangular board is 96 centimeter. As you can see, diagonal is in meter and this length is in centimeter. So it will be better if you would convert this meter into centimeter. So as you know, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Now as per question, this is your diagram. Okay, P, Q, R, S, and this one is your diagonal. Okay, as per question, diagonal is 100, so this one is 100, while length is 96, so this will be 96. As I explained you in introduction that in a rectangle and a square, each angle is 90 degree. So as you can see, triangle SRQ is your right angle triangle. So triangle SRQ is your right angle triangle, and in right angle triangle simply we are using Pythagoras theorem to find the values. So this QR breadth we have to find. So side opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse. So your QS will be hypotenuse. Then QR is perpendicular. Then this SR is base. So now use Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse square QS square. Perpendicular square QR square. Base square SR square. So now QS hypotenuse is 100. So 100 square. QR that we have to find. So QR square plus SR 96. So 96 square. Okay. So now transpose this 96 square to the left hand side. So QR square equals to 100 square minus 96 square. So finally QR square equals to 100 square 10,000. Okay. Then 96 square 9,216. So QR square equals to, subtract this, you will get 784. Now QR equals to under root 784. Now this is a square root, and square root of 784 we have to find. So square root of 784 is 28. So your breadth is 28. So this one is 28 centimeter. Now as per question we have to find area. So area equals to what? Length into breadth. Length is 96, breadth is 28. So 96 into 28, 2688 centimeter square required area. So like this you have to solve question number 2. Question number 3. The sides of a rectangular park are in ratio 4:3. Always length is to breadth, because length is greater than breadth. So from this the sides are in the given ratio. So your length will be 4x while your breadth will be 3x. Now area is given to you. So as you know very well that area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. Area is given 1728 equals to length 4x into breadth 3x. Now 4 into 3, 12, x into x square equals to 1728. Now 12x square can be written as 12 into x square equals to 1728. X square equals to 1728 divided by 12. So 12 1 ja 12, 12 1 ja 12, 5 carry, 2 remaining, 2 will become 52, 12 4 ja 48, again 48, so 12 4 ja 48. So x square equals to 144, x equals to under root 144, and finally x equals to 12. Okay, so 12 we got here. Now the sides we have to find. In the starting, as assumed or given in question, 4x. So 4 into 12. That means perimeter, length is 48 centimeter. Similarly, breadth is 3x, so 12 3 is 36 centimeter. Now the first perimeter we have to find. So perimeter equals to what? 2 into in bracket L plus B. So 2 into L plus B means 48 plus 36. So now 2 into 48 plus 36, 84, and 84 into 2, 168 centimeter. So your perimeter is 168 centimeter. Now the cost you have to find. So simply you have to write cost of fencing equals to perimeter 168 into cost per meter, which is 40 rupees. So multiply 168 into 40. So 6720 rupee required cost. Question number 4. This is your floor which is given in question. A floor is 40 meter long, 50 meter broad. It's covered. It's covered with tiles. Okay. So now we have to, just like this, it is covered with tiles. Okay. So now we have to find the number of tiles. So simply to find the number of tiles, we will use formula area of floor divided by area of tile. So area of floor 40 into 15 upon area of tile. So now this is in meter, while the dimensions of tiles are in centimeter. 60 into 50. So we will convert this meter into centimeter. So now this 40 meter will be 4000, because 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 40 meter equals to 40 into 100. So 4000. Similarly, 15 meter will be 1500 divided by 60 into 50. So 0 0 get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled. 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 2000 ja. So number of tiles 2000. So whenever we have to find the number of tile, simply we will divide area of floor upon area of tile. We will get number of tile. Question number 5 you can solve, that is same as question number 3. The only change is what? First you have to find length and breadth, then just multiply that length and breadth, you will get area, and at the last cost is given at rupee 60 per meter square. Whenever you are having cost as rupee 60 per meter, means you have to multiply perimeter with that value. If you are having 60 rupee per meter square, means you have to multiply that value with area. Okay. Then now question number 6. Question number 6, find the area of square whose perimeter. So as you know, perimeter of square equals to 4 into side. So the perimeter of square is given how much? 56 equals to 4 into side. So from there find the value of side. So 56 upon 4, value of side is 14 centimeter. Now find area. How you can find area? Side into side means 14 into 14. So answer is 196 centimeter square. This is your question number 6. Then question number 7 you can solve. Then question number 8. Question number 8. All the questions are same. I am solving here first question. The way you have to solve. Question number first. For each figure given below, find the area of shaded portion. So in this question, this one is your shaded portion and this one is your not shaded. Okay, and we have to find the shaded. How you can find shaded? Simply just naming this P, Q, R, S. and this is A Q or A B C Q. So PQRS is your total shape. Then if you will subtract ABCQ from PQRS, so you will get this area. शेडेड एरिया कैसे निकलेगा, ये टोटल PQRS में ये ABCQ सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा तो आपका शेडेड एरिया निकलेगा. ये पूरा रेक्टेंगल है, बाहर भी रेक्टेंगल है, इनसाइड जो बन रहा है वो भी रेक्टेंगल है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल PQRS. So area of rectangle PQRS. So simply for PQRS, length into breadth. Length is SR, this one, and breadth is PS. So SR is 20 and PS is 16. So 320 centimeter square. This is the area of PQRS. Now we will find area of ABCQ. Similarly, rectangle length into breadth. Length is BC while breadth is AB. So BC into AB means 15 into 10. So the area is 150 centimeter square. Now the shaded area we have to find. So we will write shaded area equals to area of PQRS minus area of ABCQ. So area of PQRS 320 and 150. So 320 minus 150. So answer is 170 centimeter square. So 170 centimeter square is the area of this shaded portion. So like this you have to solve all the questions of question number 8. If you are having any doubt, do message.